Hello guys, it's Solo here. Welcome back with another video. So today we have some interesting clips. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Hey!
Hi! Hey! You look so surprised.
Yeah.
You didn't know we're in Korea?
I was thinking Twitch is on his phone right now.
He's so shocked. This is a dream. Wake up!
Wait.
Wake up!
Wake up, man.
I've mostly seen you guys online. I love your videos.
I'll find TV, baby. Broden.
No.
Okay, shit.
Like and bake. I mean Jake and bake.
Stay awake in me.
Can I get a picture of you guys? Yeah, can I get a picture?
That was one of the funniest reactions I've ever seen.
Wait, did you really not know that we were nearby?
No, I did actually. Oh, I'm gonna confess, I did, yeah. But I'm actually on my way to art class.
Acting.
Okay.
Yeah. I was scared because the bus is coming in like really, actually I don't know, in a couple minutes. My hands are shaking.
It's coming right now, you need to hurry. I see it down there.
Sorry.
7 minutes, it's okay.
Oh shit, never mind.
So what are you guys up to?
Well,
little this, little that.
no, let him know, bro.
We were chilling and then Carl just left.
Yeah, we were
had to find him and then lo and behold, here
Sorry
he
that I
is.
saw my handsome Sykkuno was in the chat. And I had the opportunity to call him because he didn't call me back whenever I texted him and said, hey man, call me. No rush though.
So you just forcefully joined him.
Yes.
Well, I forgot to.
Ding, ding, ding.
I ended stream at like midnight, and then I was tired, and it's kind of just slipped the.
You don't gotta justify anything to this guy, man.
Corpse, what the fuck is this, Corpse, huh? What are you trying to turn me against Sykkuno just because I'm about to
Yeah, you
fucking
wanna go to
wax
the
his
other call
ass
and
to this
talk about it?
MCC?
You
Oh
wanna go
god,
talk
no
about it?
god.
You're gonna
You wanna go
talk
talk
about
about it?
Fight.
Wait, you guys
Let's
left
go.
Nolan in there. That's so messed up.
Alright, we gotta go.
All right, thanks for hanging out, guys. I'll see you soon.
Alright, let's all leave.
Wait, if you
let's all
practice for it,
Have a good
actually, I want to
stream.
practice
Have it.
though. If
You guys worked all hard 6 months into this, so yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Ricardo.
Oh, I want to slow down.
Is that weird to say?
What made you shoot Travis? Oh, because he started being mean. Don't fucking be mean to me when I'm holding the gun, you know what I mean?
And time because
Having Dave and Alinity in the room at the same time is making me question things.
Why do I feel
This is especially take your mad monk pills,
exactly because if it's in capitalism and whatever fuck, you vote with your wallet, right? You buy what you want, so then therefore you kind of are voting it, but people still somehow complain it like some fucking hoes. What?
Dragon's Dogma came to be.
Yeah?
So whether you're a longtime fan or just curious about the series, we'll have something for you to enjoy.
And
We hope you check it out. Once again, thank you
And?
all so much.
And now we have a bunch of updates from the Resident Evil franchise.
What is that bait?
Hello everyone, I'm
Maybe
Tsuyoshi
DLC.
Kanda, the producer.
Hey, Matt.
You white cunt, shut the fuck up. Your mum doesn't love you, your dad doesn't love you, you're probably accident abortion, you know? That's what should have happened. Instead we got this fucking autist on my team.
You're so fucking trash, Luke. What the fuck, man?
Oh, it's a video game. You can click pixels good. Kill yourself in real life, you fucking worthless scum. You're gonna amount to nothing, you fucking faggot. Kill yourself.
Nah, I don't know if it blocked. Oh no, it didn't block it. I found it. It worked. Here, I'll show you. Look right here. Whoops. Right here, went through. Hey, bro. Fucking Bro, I swear I knew exactly who this was, bro.
Lose 2 kills, but I mean this is tough. Yeah, there we go. He's ready to play now.
Yeah.
It's really difficult. Is that XQC? Is that what just happened? Am I wrong? I don't even know. Sorry guys, don't watch enough Twitch streams. Pretty sure that's it. They do look similar.
What's up?
You trying to talk, dude? No one, I can't hear you. What?
Last player standing.
They're both sides. They're not safe.
Both side.
One enemy remaining.
What? No way! No way! What? What are you on? Yo, I'm fucking crazy, bro.
Okay, so from here. Okay. 1, 2. You can rest like this. Good job. 3. Okay, now I'm gonna I'm turning my left hand, hook. And then take your leg out, and then take your leg out.
I knew that they own multiple pieces of property, boat, fucking multiple cars, all of this shit. Okay. Poggers. None of them had good investments. No generational wealth was passed on to my parents. None. 0. And they had it the fucking easiest to build that money. The fucking easiest, dude. And that sounds super entitled from me, okay? But holy shit, what else did you have to do in the fucking 60s, you stupid assholes? What else did you have to do? There were no computers, no internet. You only had to work one fucking job. You weren't going to school. Ah!
What? So when you say with the webcam that it can't get any worse, bro. Wow, I didn't think the audio could get any worse. Just know, dumbass, that it can get much, much, much.
These games have never been good. I play them knowing they are shitty. This is all part of the plan. You think I didn't wake up today knowing I was gonna throw $70 in the garbage can? You really think that? Come on, dude. If that's true, then you got the beard pulled over your eyes. There was never a single fucking chance. There was no hope ever of this shit being good. I wasted that shit on purpose because it's a nice change of pace to sit down and watch a shitty movie about a bunch of gay dudes. You know?
What the hell is this? We got Rick from Rick and Morty is driving a choo-choo train. He's coming right for me. What the hell is that, man? I love Fortnite.
So, what do I call? I called all of them, right? I called 6.
I wish I was home watching Forsen.